Here's a bag of paper cup, and here's a plastic bottle. We use this almost every day, but have you ever wondered how they are made? Look at all the household products around me. We are in the showroom of Chahua Modern Housewares, a Chinese household product brand based in Fuzhou, Fujian. For many Chinese families, Chahua is a very familiar name. From food containers and storage boxes to trash bins, basins, its products can be found in many kitchens, bathrooms, balconies, and storage spaces across China. They are simple, practical, and used every single day. But that is exactly what makes this visit interesting. How does a company turn ordinary household items into products trusted by millions of families? To better understand how these everyday products are made, we're heading to Chahua's manufacturing base in Lianjiang, which is a little over 30 minutes drive from here. We have just arrived at Chahua's manufacturing base in Lianjiang. Today we are joined by Mr. Chen, the factory's planning manager, who will guide us through the production area. Chahua was founded in 1997, and the Lianjiang facility officially started operation in 2013. Covering approximately 210,000 square meters, is Chahua's largest manufacturing base, as well as a world-class production facility for plastic household products with advanced scale and capabilities. This factory has 11 production lines, with each building operating as one independent production line. When we walk into any workshop, we can see rows of injection molding machines like this. They are the most important production equipment in this facility. Mr. Chen told me that the factory currently has 182 injection molding machines in total. This is the raw materials warehouse of this factory, and the different materials for different products. And look, this is the paper raw materials, and it's used for make paper cups, and the rest of this is for some plastic products. Raw materials are the first step of quality control. Most of the materials used here are imported from overseas to ensure consistent product quality. At the same time, the factory has strict management systems for raw materials. They are delivered through a dedicated supply system directly to each injection molding machine, ensuring a stable and efficient production process. Every production line of this factory has a supply system like this. All the raw material is here and is supplied for different injection molding machines from all this pipeline. This is one of the injection molding machines, and the raw materials is transported from these pipelines, and they were mixed here. You see, included the different colors, and it will be heated in this part of the machines and injected to the molds, and then our finished products is here. The second key point in Chahua's quality control is the precision of their mold. This is one of the machines for manufacturing molds. One of the advantage of this factory is that all the molds is made by themselves, so they can control the process of the products better. The factory is equipped with advanced mold inspection equipment to ensure high accuracy. Using high-precision one-piece injection molding technology, the finished products come out with smooth and clean edges, eliminating the need for additional manual trimming. High-precision molds not only improve production efficiency, but also help create products with smoother surfaces, better fitting performance, and longer service life. Chahua produces a very wide range of products, covering 8 major categories with more than 1,500 product types. Most of them are plastic products, but they also produce some non-plastic items, such as paper cups. These machines are used for making paper cups. Look at how they work. It's very interesting. Whether we are looking at the paper cup production line or the different workshops we visited earlier, we can clearly see Chahua's strong automation capability and efficient manufacturing system. However, improving production efficiency doesn't mean reducing the importance of paper. For well-known consumer brands, strong design capability is equally essential. That's why Chahua has established research and development centers in both Fuzhou and Shanghai, and built a new production base in Chuzhou, Anhui Province, to support its full category design and manufacturing capability in household products. Looking back at the wide range of products displayed in the showroom, we can see that Chahua is not simply producing a few categories of household items. Instead, the company aims to create a more modern and convenient lifestyles for families. With this vision, Chahua has achieved rapid growth since its establishment. In 2017, the company was listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. Over the years, Chahua has also established stable partnerships with major retail channels, including international retailers such as Sam's Club and Walmart, as well as leading Chinese e-commerce platforms like Taobao, JD.com. This shows another side of the brand. It's not only strong in manufacturing, but also experienced in working with different sales channels. After visiting the factory today, I have a deeper understanding of one simple fact. Everyday products are never as simple as they look. Behind a food container, a storage box, or a trash bin, there is product designing, manufacturing experience, automated production, quality management, supply chain capability, and years of brand building. Chahua shows how a Chinese manufacturer can grow from making products to building a trusted household brand. For global buyers, China is not only a place to find factories, it's also a place to discover reliable brands, complete product systems, and long-term business partners. If you want to know more about this factory or supply chain in Fujian, feel free to connect with us. That's this episode of Inside China's Supply Chain. See you in the next one.